what we can do? So what we can do, we can go for one more diagram. Mechanical design, part design. Okay, new part. We'll go. Okay, select any one plane. So I'm selecting vertical plane. Sketch. You go sketch. You draw one arc-like structure. Center point. Define the arc. Radius is, let's take 100. You can give your values here. It is 45. So this is 45, my dear students. Wherever you want, you can place arc. Then you can complete the profile however you want. Okay. Then exit from workbench. Pad, go to the pad option. Preview. Okay. Then click this. Go to the circular pattern. After circular pattern, let's make 45 degrees there. Then 360 divided by 45, approximately 8. Right. Reference axis selection. You can go for reference axis. Okay, preview. Okay, done. So according to our wish, we can do. Now, my dear students, so this is circular pattern. Instead of circular pattern, you can also go for rectangular patterns. So this one, go for rectangular pattern. How many you want? You want 10. Okay, go for 10. Reference element. This one you want 10 items. So preview. So 10 items are ready right now. Instead of making one item, 10 are ready. Okay. So reverse direction, you can change in this direction. Preview. Okay. So this is like we can do. Now, my dear students, plenty of options are there. Groove making options is available. You can also use this one. Just try it out whenever you want. So now I will be going this table. We'll be discussing about this table. After this, we'll go for assembly. Okay. Now, what I do, my dear students, I'll make one box like to get to know the chamfering application. I'll make one box first. Select any one plane. Go to the sketcher. Make one rectangle. Rectangle of any dimensions. Don't worry about the dimension much right now. Okay. Return to the workbench. Pad it. Pad it, my dear students. So let's go to the thickness 100 mm. Okay. Now box is ready. Now what you can do here, lot of chamfering option available. So select this one, edge fillet. So what it does, it takes all the edges. You can select all the edges whichever you want, or you can select any one edges. After selection of this, okay. So if you want to reduce the sharp edges are there. You can remove the sharp edge. For example, preview. Okay, you can increase the radius of this one. For example, first you go for the preview, my dear students. You will get to know. Okay. So can you feel that one? What we have done? Can you feel this one, my dear students? What we have done?
The cuboid.
No, cuboid is fine, but after making cuboid, what we have done? Edges, whatever we were having the sharp edges, we have removed here. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So in any one thing you need to remember, any mechanical component or any automobile component, whenever you are making, you must have to remove the sharp edges. Sharp edge ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Now There is one more option, my dear students. Again, I'll go for the earlier model. After making this earlier model, there is one more option here, chamfer. What it does, chamfer? So let's take this one. So you can select any plane. So chamfer. So angle 45 degree, 2 elements preview. So I'll just increase this one by 1 instead of 1 mm. I'll go for 10 mm. We can easily feel that. Okay. So are you observing that one? So what we have done now? So whatever the sharp edges are there, that we cut in, we did the cut action such a way, corner edge cutting. Let's take one more example. I select this plane. I'll go for chamfer option. I will give, instead of 11, I'll give 5 mm. Whatever you want, you can give based on your application. Now, okay. Are you able to get to know what I did here? So this is called chamfering. So edge removing, edge removing. Okay. Fine. Now we have one more option. We have one more option, draft angle and different draft angles. One I'll go. So one draft angle I'll go. So select this one. Select this one. After selection, my dear students, select any surface. Select any surface, whichever the surface you want. So you can, if you want, you can select all the 4 surfaces here. So just by rotating, you can select all the 4 surfaces. Then it makes the shapes of shape. Like for example, you increase that 5 degree to 10 degrees, so you will be getting to know. Okay. And axis direction is in this. Select the section. So in above direction. Okay. Okay. Then we preview. Okay. Selection. 4 elements are selected. Faces to be draft. Now all the 4 reference plane. So select this one. Instead of XY plane, you select this one. So first 4 element we selected, and reference plane, base plane we need to select, then go for preview. Once again, I'll go. Okay, one element selection. This element I'll go. Preview. Okay. What happens? 1 second. You already drafted. Okay, fine. So probably you can you can observe this one. Its cross section has reduced. Tapering achieved. 1 second, I will give more drafting, so you can feel that one. Okay. Select the, you just observe the shape. This is completely vertical. Now what I do, I will select this bottom part, and both part, this part is going to be reduced by 5 degree. Instead of 5 degree, I will give more, my dear student, 30 degree, so that it is going to be clearly visible for you. Preview. Okay, done. So you get to know you get to know that, right? So what we have done now. So it cuts the faces. Okay, then my dear students, we have one more option, this option. This is shell making. Shell making is nothing but bucket-like structure making. Bucket-like structure making. For example, you take this one, select this one, faces to be removed. You can select any one. All if you want, you can select all. So it's better if you selected one only. One. Okay, you select any surface, go for preview. Then automatically we can get the hollow section. Select any one plane, and that makes the thickness of 1 mm. Why 1 mm? We have given 1 mm. 1 second, I will show. So this, select this one. Okay. After selection, shell options, just go for, instead of 1 mm, I am giving the 5 mm. Okay. Faces to be removed. These faces I'm going to remove. These faces. You can select any one plane based on your application. Okay. Okay. Now you can fill this one. If you want, you can give the material also for this. currently material option is not working, you can give the material also. Now, my dear students, there is one more option. This one, thickness. If you want to increase the thickness of this to more than 1 mm, just 10 mm for only this particular wall, you can give now. So we can give. So how we can give? So there is option, thickness option. Click this. After clicking, you select any surface and give the dimension 12. Okay, 12 mm thickness is achieved. Okay, like this, my dear students, if you start working on this, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever the shape you want. You can make the bike simple component I have explained here, but you need to go for any. You can make the bike chassis, you can make the wheels, you can make the all the components. Okay, one more thing I am telling you. For example, now I want to make the one vertical surface but inclined. For example, what I do first, I create the plane. So look at here, one more option, plane. This is very important. So select this option, look at this option, wave here. I'm using this one. Now important is plane. Plane option, whenever you select this plane, there are plenty of the planes option is available. Parallel through point, angle normal to planes, through 3 points, through 2 lines, through point on the line, to planar curve, tangent curve, normal curve, equation, mean through points. All are there. You can try all. Now I'll go for one more offset plane. With inclined, I'll go angle to the plane, normal to the plane. So inclined, I will select. First, I will select this one. Okay, after selecting offset, how much I just want to give? I'll give 22. I will give 220, 25 only in reverse direction. This side plane is going to be created. Okay, preview. Now, okay. Now one more plane has been created. You can use this as a reference and you can go for the sketching. So how I will tell you. Now one more plane is selected. Draw any component you want. Wherever you want. Exit from workbench. When you exit from workbench, you can go for the pad option or cutout option. Preview. Okay. So we not only these 3 planes, we can create any number of planes. For example, here you can create the planes. Let me know. Here you can how whether it is possible or not. Now create the plane. Okay. Angle normal to the plane or parallel to the point. So you can select any one. Normal to the curve. I have selected. So curve is available here. Okay, curve is available. Point is not available. You can make the point if you want. Here, one point you can click. So point is available. Now on which point is created, then plane, reference offset plane. So what I'm selecting, normal to the curve. Normal to the curve I have selected here. Okay, and point, if you want already drawn point, somewhere it has gone. So once again I'm drawing point, my dear students here. Okay. Okay, fine. So point is available here. You can observe here plus mark, point is available. Okay, now draw the plane. Curve, normal to curve. So reference surface, point you want. You can select the point. So point is ready and preview the point. Okay. Now what is the use of this point curve? So this plane we can take as a reference, we can draw. There are some complex mechanical shapes are available. For this tool is going to be helpful. For example, let's sketch on this plane. So plane is available. Draw one more circle wherever you want. You can give a radius 25. You can one radius 25 too. Okay. Then return to workbench. Return to, you can use a pad option or cut option. I'll go for cut option now. Preview. More than 100 mm we can give. Reverse direction you can select. So this plane is helped us to make the plane on this surface. So this is one of the option. So these are the fundamental options, my dear students. You can use any number of operations, even Boolean operations are available. Mirror option is available. So mirror option already informed you. Let's go for mirror option. So there is a mirror option, my dear students. You can select the mirror option. Select the component distance, how much distance you want. 3 mm distance. Okay, 24 mm distance I have given. So fit to screen. So it has to be done. Oh yeah, I don't know why it has not done. So what once again I will use mirror option. Mirror option. Okay, this is a translation option used. Mirror option. Select this component. Okay. Select the component. Mirror option already done. First you select this component, then mirror option. Okay. So immediately we have done the same component too. Okay. Before assembly, my dear students, suppose if you want to change the pic, if you want to take the picture. Okay. So image. Okay. You can make image is available. Capture it. After capturing, after selecting, we get this option. Click this one. Our image is going to be generated. Whatever we have. Again, in image there are plenty of image type of option is available. You can use those things. See, left corner you can check that one. Left corner you can check the image is available, you can save it. Okay, is that okay? Are you listening, my dear students? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. My dear students, along with this, for example, there are plenty of craze as well. For example, few students they make the video of the this one their component making. If you want to make the video, again go to the tool option. Again go to the tool option. Okay, image, there is album is available, video is available. Click on video. You will get one more video recorder is available. Click on video recorder. You start making the component whatever you want. You just work on the screen. It is going to be recorded. It is going to be recorded. Okay, then stop it. Automatically it saves in your drive. Okay. Again, it gives options: Windows complete area, particular area, full screen, fixed area. You can select anyone and you can click OK. Complete screen or only component screen or only CATIA screen, like that it asks the question. Okay. Fine, my dear students. Now, what I will tell you, assembly we need to do. So after making like this, you can make any n number of component. After making these components, my dear students, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ವೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಟ್ಟು ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ, ಸೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಾರು ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನ 3D ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 3D ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ. So I'll go for new component, my dear student. New part. Okay, new part I have done. I am going to do the new part. So while making the part, my dear students, reference plane is an important parameter. Same plane you are supposed to select. Now I am selecting the horizontal plane. I am doing that one. First, what I do, I'll do the ring like structure. Okay. One more thing. enough. Return from workbench. Then pad option. Increase the dimension by 20 mm. Okay. Next, select this one. Select this one. I'll go for one more time sketch option. Sketch. Then I'll cut this one. I'll pick the dimension as radius as 35 mm. ಒಬ್ರು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ radius ನ 35 mm. 35 ಬೇಡ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 25 ಮಾಡೋಣ. Answer. Okay, 35 ನೇ ಇರಲಿ. Okay. So return from workbench. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಲ್, ಸೇವ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಸದ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸದ್ಯ ಬೇಡ. ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದು, ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೇವ್. ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಹೊಸ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಒಂದು ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ ನ ಈ ತರ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಲೇ 35 mm ಇರ್ತದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಹೋಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕುಲರ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದ್ರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 35 mm ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 35 mm ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 35 ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು, ಒಂದು 100 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸ್ಕೆಚ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ದೂರ ಹೋದಾಗ ಫಿಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದರ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು 50 ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ 20 ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾವು ಒಂದೇನೋ ನಟ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಸೇವ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಲ್, ಸೇವ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್, ಸೇವ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೆಚರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸ್ಕೆಚರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸ ಲಿಂಕ್, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಓದ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.